Good evening. This is Pradeep from Trading Clan channel. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and BankNifty predictions for coming Monday. After seeing today's market, I have a much clarity on BankNifty movement for the coming days. I have explained each and every points detail in this video. If the videos are useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's move on to the BankNifty prediction. First, we will open the BankNifty in our trading view window. I have opened 15 minutes time frame chart. Here I have marked the resistance and support line. The reasons for the 15-minute time frame is we can clearly see the direction change in the market. First, let us understand what was happened in the past 1 week. For that, I am going to mark a line denoting the direction of the flow. Now I am going to mark the non-movement area and movement area in the market. For that, I will draw the lines for non-movement area separately and movement area separately. Here I am going to mark yellow line is for non-movement area and blue line is for movement area. So the first point, the market is don't have much movement. So I marked that line in yellow color that I have considered as a distribution area. After that, I am going to draw one more line which the market was in downfall. So I have marked that line in blue color. And I am going to indicate that as a fall of the market. Afterwards, we can see some part of retracement, that also in movement. So I am going to mark that also in blue color. This place I have considered as a retracement place. After that also it went in downside. So that is also I have mentioned in blue color. That is also I can consider as a downfall. After that, I don't see much movement in this area. So I have marked in yellow color. So that I have considered as a consolidation in my point of view. Whenever we see the consolidation, always we have to be paying attention on these areas. So I have marked this area in circle. Look at this area. Here we don't see much movement. We have a sort of consolidation and slightly moving upside and slightly moving downside directions, but we don't see much movement in this area. This is a very good sign for market is going to start any one direction in the upcoming days. This is one of the important point to be noticed for finding the direction of the market in the upcoming days. One more point to be noticed in this area is I have marked a lot of wicks in the circled area. We have to pay attention to these circles, because in each and every area we can see whenever the circle is there where the market is getting the direction change, and we can see the downfall is not at all happened in this area. That is also one of the important points we have to notice. I am going to connect these points by lines. So here we can see each and every circles area, we can see the direction change. The one more important thing is this rejection line, because whenever it gets breakout, we see momentum and we can see power candles. Look at this circled area. Do you understand anything? This is very important circle. We have to pay attention to it. Why it is to be? I will explain now. Now look at the circled area 1, 2 in third place also. See, in the first area we can have a rejection whenever it's touch the rejection line. In the second point also we have a rejection whenever it's touch it's getting rejected. But in the third area, we don't see that rejection. That is very important point. That means the rejection line is getting weaker, so it cannot pull down the market in this third place. So coming Monday, there is a high probability for this line getting breakout. So we can see the range candles in upper side. This is also one of the reasons for market can go in upside. The one more point is the consolidation. Look at the encircled area. We have a consolidation in the current area. Similarly, we have a consolidation in the last week also. As I feel, market gets turned above the last consolidation area. So I am expecting the market can go in upside in the upcoming day. Here I am looking for uptrend movement. So for that we need to keep a stop loss. Without stop loss we should not trade. So I am keeping the stop loss below this last downside movement. So the stop loss levels are 34,600. So whenever the market goes below this level, I will close my trade. Hope you understand the reasons for my prediction in upside movement. I am going to draw a market flow direction. So the downfall has already completed and I see the consolidation and further looking for upside movement. Here there are two conditions should meet, then we can look for uptrend. The first condition is the immediate resistance line should get breaks out, and the second condition is the market should not go below this stop loss level. I am expecting the market will move in upside direction and hit the target of 35,300 within 3 to 4 trading days. Because of the above reasons and predictions, I have entered the Bank Nifty today at 34,600 CE at the premium of 415 rupees. Let's see what will happen in the coming days. Consolidating our points for the reason of entry is the downfall has already stopped now and market is getting consolidating. You can see the consolidations for past 2 days and the market turns above this previous support level. Less rejections in the immediate resistance line. Typed wrongly, not immediate support, it's immediate resistance. Currently the market is very closer to the buying line or support line. We have a very closest stop loss level, so our risk will be very less. There is a higher chance to get good profits. These are the major reasons for our entry. I am expecting the Bank Nifty to move higher. We can have our entry above 34,600 for the target of 35,300. Let's move on to the Nifty prediction. I am expecting the Nifty to move on higher as like Bank Nifty, but I couldn't define levels. Let's move on to the Nifty in trading view window. In 1 day time frame chart, I can make the resistance and support line and coming closer to the nearest current area in 45 minutes time frame chart. So here I am going to mark the immediate resistance line. Whenever this resistance line get breakout, we can see much higher upside. This is our immediate resistance line. Similar way, we can make our immediate support line by connecting the immediate pivot levels. This is our immediate support line. Whenever the market goes below this level, we should think about to close the trade, but we can hold up to our stop loss level. Whenever the market goes below the black line, it means whenever the market breaks 15,530, we can consider that as a downtrend started. Now I am predicting the market can get retraced over here and it will move in upside direction and it will hit the resistance line. I am expecting the upside target of 15,900 within 3 to 4 trading days. For this upside movement, I am keeping the stop loss level below 15,650. That means the candle should form below this 15,650 level. That is our stop loss. We can enter the Nifty trade above 15,700 for the target of 15,900. So I am concluding the Nifty and Bank Nifty trades now. We can enter the Bank Nifty above 34,600 for the target of 35,300. For Nifty, we can enter above 15,700 for the target of 15,900. Let's see what will happen on Monday. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching the video. Grow with us. Happy weekend.